Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. I hope the new hairstyle is looking good on me. I hope so. People are saying that it's not getting settled to my face. So I think it has to grow a bit. If I leave it for 1 week, this might look pretty good on my face. Guys, as you people know, this is a month of December and Christmas and New Year is quite near, and today's day is 22nd. 20th I had been for a shopping. So I founded some of the things that where I can buy the stuffs in discount. Bought two shoes. One is Clarks and one more is Louis Philippe. So let me open this and let me show you people. First I thought of buying this in online, but comparatively the price was more in online. I purchased one in Clarks showroom itself and one more in Lifestyle. Clarks MRP is 5499 and Louis Philippe MRP is somewhere 4000 rupees. Before buying Louis Philippe, I had one more option in Clarks itself, same color but in front, slight dotted one. I'll show you and I'll explain you guys so that you can understand easily. So unboxing something for myself after a long time. Usually I buy things when the offers are running, and I found it something good also this time. This is pure leather and it's British brown. So this is British brown. Model is Clarks Craft Masters. Craft Master. It's not Masters. It's Craft Master. This is British brown color. Slight wrinkles will be there on the shoe because it's leather. So the cost is being mentioned below. I hope you people can see in the camera. It's 5499. The sole has really a very good grip in this Club Master Clark shoes. So let me wear and let me show you people how does this looks on me. And most of the time this is used as a formal shoe as well as casuals, even one more shoes also, but I prefer to use this as formals, not as casual wear, because in formals this looks really very decent and disciplined. 2, 3. So my UK size is 6.5. I found it 6.5 itself, but this goes good on formal pants, not on casual wears like jeans and terrible pants. After discount I found out the shoes for somewhere 3000 rupees. That means 2999 rupees. He didn't give me 1 rupee back, so let it be 3000 itself. So this has a glossy look over here because, as I told you, this is a British brown shoes, so slight glossiness will be there in the leather. Yes, comfort wise good. And one more thing, as I told you people that there was one more shoe in Clarks itself, blue color. So I could not find the size. Actual size of mine is 6.5, but I found it out 7. It was a bit loose, so I didn't purchase the shoe. But I got a best deal in Clarks for that shoe also. Cost of that shoe is somewhere around 6000 rupees, and I found it that shoe for 3000 rupees. Again, it's 2999 rupees. But issue was with size, so I don't wanted to purchase that shoe. But let me show you that shoe in image. As I have posted the image down, the color is same, but slight changes is in front you can see dotted one, but once I unbox this Louis Philippe shoe, you can see my shoe and you can have a comparison. This is proper like a denim look. Now it's time to open Louis Philippe shoe. So I've got complete packed one. This also I found it out box piece itself, so it's not like they had put it out for demo or showpiece shoes. There this was completely dotted in Clarks, but this is a proper denim material, the rough material. This won't get so much of dirt, and that's a pure leather one. This is inside completely leather, outside stuff is denim material. That shoes I got for a better deal, somewhere around 2999. That's of course 3000 rupees itself, but size was not there as I told you. But sole almost same, and this design is bit changed. Okay, in that has a better comfort and that has a better grip. So in this there is no such grip compared to Clarks. But price wise, yes, 1000 rupees, this is more expensive. And look wise, this gives a pretty good look. That casual wear, even this is casual wear, but that is leather and this is denim material. there is a lot of difference between leather and denim material, as you people would be knowing. Now it's time to try these shoes and show you people that how it looks on me. This is proper UK 6.5 size itself, so I like this shoe a lot. Here you can see a leather stuff. Just look at this. Here you can see a leather material which they have given a proper shape of Louis Philippe symbol, and this is entirely leather inside and the sole and all stuff. And here this is also leather, and rest all it's denim material. And this slightly copper thread, it's giving a very good combination for the shoe. Here they have given a copper thread, and here also you can see a copper lining is there between sole and top denim material. It's really good. Here also the copper threads is being added. So with that, slightly white and denim jeans, blue jeans grip which they have given behind the shoes. So this is giving a proper look. The shoe is really looking good, but let me wear and let me show you people. This shoe looks good for casual wear. This is really looking good for jeans, and this goes really good with terry wool pants. I wanted to buy these shoes because usually I don't wear formals. When I'm going to office, I usually wear jeans or else terry wool pants from Monday to like Friday. Of course, only 5 days in a week I have office. Saturday and Sunday it's off, and as of now there is no office, so it's work from home. But still I purchased the shoe. Let's see, once the things are completely fine, I hope the things might get fine in 2021 at least. And if office is open, then again I'll be back to form, early going to office, coming back in the evening. Yes, this has really more comfort, and there won't be any kinds of wrinkles when you're doing this. Here you can't find any wrinkles, but in leather usually you find wrinkles. So this shoe is really amazing. Buying 4K, yes, pretty expensive, but quality wise it's really good. Clerks is bit tight when you're wearing the same 6.5 size, but in this shoe the 6.5 is bit loose in sides. Front it's perfect, but in sides I can just tight up this lace and wear this shoe. There is no doubt about it. And one more thing is that I purchased one more shoe, that is loafers. My leg is really very small. I just did like this and shoe went off, so I stopped wearing loafers. So I don't want to buy loafers anymore because my foot size is really very small. So lace I can adjust and I can make it tight or loose, however the comfort zone I feel, but not in loafers. Even you people try running out somewhere to malls or some shopping places, buy something good for yourself, because this is the right time. Investing on shoes or investing on clothes like entire money and buying in offer makes a lot of sense. Do go out and buy some good stuffs for yourself. Anyhow guys, if you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Take care. Bye. See ya.